Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture. So let me talk a little bit about what is web development and what is web design and the difference between the two. So web development is the term used for the process of developing a full website, okay, from scratch. And I just made a list here so you can check what is a web developer responsible for. So a web developer is responsible for the backbone of a website from the ground up. So everything that is related to the creation from scratch of a website is the responsibility of a web developer. A web developer must know HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, and CSS. He also must know database connections and how to do it with PHP and MySQL. He must also know how and understand the server connections with Apache and Linux. And he must also know a little bit of both worlds of front-end and back-end development. So all of these will be covered in this course, so don't worry. Now, a web designer is responsible for working with Photoshop or Fireworks or other editor of images to create templates. Okay, so basically what a web designer is responsible for is all the templates or the images and the design of a website that the user will see. And web designers must also know a little bit of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, not at the same level of a web developer, but at least they must know a little bit of these languages. So basically, on a project, a web developer will create everything from scratch. He will create all the backbone of the website and will ask for a web designer to create only the images or the templates. Okay, a web developer will then grab all those templates that were created by the web designer and will implement them on the full website. Okay. In the next lecture, I will also cover a little bit more about what is the front end and the back end. Okay, and all the languages and frameworks that a good web developer should know. Okay, so see you in